Welcome back to Crypto Lodge slash DeFi Due Diligence. And we're looking at Bitcoin. Let's get off the 15 to the 2 hours to the 4 hours. Let's see. I do love the zigzag channels from Lux. Gotta give them props. They tell you all which directions it may be moving. Here's the current trajectory. Looking pretty good for Bitcoin. It's on the uptrend. What else can you say? It's on the uptrend. Here's the 20 week. It's above it. Bounced right off it. Right here. And on to the next. Ethereum. Look at these channels. The zigzag Lux channels. Pretty interesting. The 20 week is way below, and we are moving. If we continue in, I don't know if this is sustainable, but if we continue in moving a direction like this, probably won't be. It'd probably be more like more conservatively up to 6K by the end of November. That wouldn't surprise me at all with ETH. Looks like we're gonna blow past the all-time high on ADA first. Look at this. How far are we from all-time high, Mr. Charles Hoskinson, ADA man? I'm gonna count it from that. I'll count it from current price. We are only 14% away from all-time high, and if you don't count the wicks, 7.24% from all-time high. And the ADA is launching smart contracts on the 12th. Let's go ahead and put a vertical line there. Let's go into settings here. Coordinates. Bar number, what would that be? September. That's so soon. I don't know what bar that is, but let's just move it by hand. There's smart contracts. Let me color that green because that's a great green event. Make it thicker. Add more green. Alright. So here's the IP 15559. I could see retracement from here. We came up a lot, too quick, too fast, and we have time to make a bounce and break all-time high. We might break all-time high tomorrow, let's be honest, or tonight. The day's young, but ADA gangs, you've been with me for a long time here. Back on Crypto Lodge, now on DeFi Due Diligence. Solana. Let's look at this on the 4 hours. See, this is why I love the Lux channels. Puts things in a nice, easy to understand zigzag pattern. Zigzag Lux is what it's called. Way above the 20 week on Sol. That's right here. And it looks like if we continue in this direction, that's some amazing gains. Of course, we'll get the ups and downs, but I don't know. Who knows what's going to happen? Solana is a great protocol. DYOR. Fantom. Fantom's not making a run like the rest. It's making its gains, but we still got %179% until all-time high on Fantom. But congrats to anybody that got into Fantom when it was being recommended. Ran up a good 3,632% in 111 days, or a good 3,339% in 35 days. Fantom is a beast. and it was just on its way to the moon before this dip. And you know, it's making a comeback. Let's see how much that comeback has actually been from bottom. 127% in the past 24 days. So that's keeping pace with a lot of the good a lot of the good alts. But ADA is currently up, something that most people in the market want to short. You know, leverage traders want to short it. It's not good enough. It didn't go down all the way. There we go. Current market price, 111% in 25 days. Sounds similar, but this is the number 3 market cap by crypto. And let me reiterate. Let's go from the top of this wick. We were just a few moments ago. We were 2.5% away from all-time highs closing daily candle. And as far as wicks go, 10% away from all-time high wick. Just making an official new all-time high, 10% away. So I could see a pullback coming in ADA, but I could also see it pumping straight into EIP, this green line here. That's EIP. Looking good for ADA. This trajectory is not gonna continue up. Or it could. If Charles Hoskinson has everything together. Let's look at AAVE. Tightly above. Let's turn off these indicators. Bounced right off its 20-week. Continued to, we see the bounce off the 20-week a lot right here. So it got rejected, came back down, didn't fully make it. Came through it, came back, tested it as a result. Has come back up. And I'm not too big into fractals. But people call them fractals, but they don't show you that all you do is grab bar pattern. And, paste it onto things and try to finagle it to make it look good. which is gets everyone bearish. For sure it does, but this moving average it'll be far above moving averages. Everything will be if it keeps going like this. Tested the 20-week, bounced back up for Uniswap. And what's one last coin to look at? We looked at Bitcoin. Did we look at it good enough? Let's turn off pivot lines. Let's get rid of that. Let's just see. If we continue the rate of growth, bars pattern, no secret fractal software. It's funny how the YouTubers never want to show you, and I always underestimate by going like this, by starting it lower. So I'm underestimating like 10%. That's just if it repeats history and continues to go up. Still doesn't break the all-time high here for Bitcoin. It might if we measure it from here. Yeah, it sure does. Well, it was 66 on some exchanges. I don't want to run this video too short. Smart contracts in September 12th. So less than a month, less than 30 days. There's 31 days in this month. So in 29 days, smart contracts on Cardano. live. They already tested everything. So I see a bullish couple months ahead for crypto. Be nice to get above that pivot line. Just make some clear distance. I don't know if that even means anything. Anyway, any hoozle. Let's see. Let's look at the top gainers quick. Immediately, my subconscious goes to Solana.com. I truly believe in that project. And all the ones I talk about. Not financial advice. Let's go to Coinbase. My fiat on-ramp. Never use it for trading, though. You lose 20 bucks in every swap. Let's click on top gainers. Wish they had dark mode here. Waves. XRP 14%. ADA only 5. XRP's, look at VeChain, 10%, 13. I thought VeChain was gonna run through 20 cents. Let's see, I'm gonna have to go back to the year. I thought it was gonna run straight. Oh, it did run straight through 20 cents, almost up to 30. Then I had to crash, and I've got to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up if you like DeFi due diligence for all your DeFi due diligence deep dives. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.